Hello student, today we will discuss about the chapter of first flight English textbook of class 10th Nelson Mandela, second chapter Nelson Mandela long walk to freedom. 10th May dawn bright and the clear. Uh, for the past few days, I had been pleasantly waited by dignitaries and the world leaders who were coming pay their respect before the inaugurations. Inaugurations would be the largest gathering ever international leader of South Africa soils. The ceremonies took place in lovely sandstone formed by the Union buildings in the Pretorias. For the decade he had been seat of supremacy, and now it was site of the rainbow gathering of the color and nation of installation of South Africa first democratic non-racial government. The sandstone is sedimentary rock consisting of a sand and grains cemented together, typically red, yellow, and brown in color. This is the meaning. Now we will do the explanation of this para. The 10th May was the day when Nelson Mandela is the first black head of the state, become the first black head of the state of South Africa. It was after a year of struggling that his anti-racist party came into the power. Until then, the seats had always been occupied by the white president. That's why the that days will be referred as the bright and the clear. It was a morning full of hope. So many people have hope for it. Days before this date, many personalities started congratulating him for his victory. For the first time in the country of history, so many international leaders came together for their inauguration ceremony. The ceremony took place in an open circular building made of sandstone consisting of Union building of Pretoria cities. Now, on the that lovely autumn day, now the second para we will discuss. On the lovely autumn day, I was accomplished by my daughter on the podium. Mr. De Klerk was the first sworn in the second deputy president. Then Toby Mabick was sworn in the first deputy president. When it was turned, I pledged to obey, uphold constitution and to devoted myself well-being to the republic and its people. Here the meaning of sworn is given under oath, determined to stay in the role specific. Now we will discuss the paragraph. The author here want to tell that the first two president took an oath. The first two president took an oath. When his turn come, he committed to respect and protect and abide by the constitution and to devoted his entire self into welfare of the country. To the assemble, now the next paragraph we will discuss. To the assembled guest and watching world, I said today all of us do by our presence here confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of experience of an extraordinary human disaster and last too long must be born society of which humanity will be proud. We who were outlaw not so long ago have today been given to a rare privilege to be the guest having take possession of the people and what is after all a come victory of justice of peace for human dignity. Now we will do the explanation. Here we can discuss that some part of his speech where he said that everyone by his presence was giving rise to the hope of new beginning, and previous rules were discriminatory and lasted for a long but once who are given the opportunity to a rule A and C and would stand up against the discrimination. He is glad to host a ceremony with the presence of a global leader. It is an achievement in itself. There was a time when South Africa was practicing lost all the international political relationship and now when there is no segregations on the basis of race and gender, other nations are happy to have healthy democratic relationship. Finally, Here we can say that the power and the pledge to make everyone proud. He thanked everyone, especially the international leader, for joining them in celebrating their achievement, which is a step towards a equal society where every human will be treated fairly. In this way we can say that we have a last achieves our political emphasis. We pledged ourselves and liberated all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty and suffering, genders and other discrimination. Never, never, never again shall it will be beautiful land will again experience an obsessions of one by other. The sun shall never set on the so glorious human achievement. Let freedom region. God bless Africa. Here we can say that we have mentioned in this that finally they have finally achieved political freedom. Freedom, he mentioned that after great struggle they have finally achieved political freedom. His government promised to free everyone of the still existing poverty, hardship, and inequality of all kind, along with everyone of a country where no community will be considered inferior. He then exclaimed that freedom should be rule, and may God shower his blessing on their land. Now next we will find that a few moments later we all lifted our eyes in away spectacular areas of South African jets, helicopter, troops, carriers, roar and perfect formation over Union building. It was not only a display of pinpoint precious and military force but demonstrations of military loyalties of democracy to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Only moment before the highest journals of South Africa Defence Force and Police. The chest and the ribbons and the medals they had medals from days gone by salute me and pledge with the loyalty. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before they would have not been saluted by arrested me. Finally, of the Imphal, a jet left a smoke trails of the black, red, green, blue, gold, and new South African flag. Here we can say precious is accuracy and unmindful is meaning is not conscious of aware, and spectacular, beautiful in dramatic and eye catching way. So now we will discuss the explanation. Here we can here I want to explain just after the newly elected president addresses to the audience an impressive arrangement of fighter jets, helicopter and shoulder transporter raised everyone heads up in the sky. It symbolized perfection as well as military respect and obedience toward the free country. The high commanders who have won the medal of their bravery also saluted and promised their loyalty. Mandela mentioned that he was well aware that these commanders who were now saluting him would have arrested him under the previous rule as during the obsessive with white supremacy. He was considered to be a criminal. The air show finally ended by making of the South African flag in the sky from smoke the jet. The next paragraph we will discuss. The day was the symbolizes for me by the playing of our two national anthems and the visions of the white singing and black singing dead stamps and the old anthem of republic, although that they may neither group lyrics of anthem they once despised, that they were soon known to be a words of art. The author here say that the playing of two national anthem of country, one of the white and the other that is of the black. On that day, no one knew the wordings of the anthem of the black, but Mandela was confident that everyone would soon learn this anthem that they once hated. Now the next paragraph. On the day of inaugurations, I was overwhelmed with the sense of history. In the first decades of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boers of the before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa passed by their difference and erected system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of the structure they created formed a basics of the most inhuman society the world has ever known. Now, the last decades of the 20th century may own 8 decades, and man, that system had been overturned forever, replaced the recognized the rights freedom for all the people, regardless of the country, color of their skin. Overwhelming, first of all I will tell you the meaning of overwhelmed. Have a strong emotion effect and racial dominations when the people of one race have a power over the another race. This is the meaning. Now we will do explanation. On the day of the ceremony, the here the days of past when whole system was emerged, it resulted in inequality of inferior treatment of dark skinned people. They were deprived of their basic fundamental rights. As a result, one of the world's most brutal and inhuman society was born. This began even before he was born. This system created atmosphere of extreme cruelty and injustice for the particular part of the community. Now, when he is in his 18 decades as a man, he, along with a countless other, have changed the entire system that treat humans as irrespective of their color, caste, gender, or age. Now the next paragraph we will do. That day had come about through the unmeaningable sacrifice of thousands of many people whose suffering and courage can never be counted. I felt that day I have on so people many other day. I was simply some of all Africans patriots who had gone before me. That long noble line ended now being began again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them, that they were not able to see what the sacrifice was worth. Now here we will discuss that this equal and free country was resulted of sacrifices of the country, other men and women who had fought all their lives for this day. The here we can say if we could thank them all, but unfortunately they didn't live to see the result of their courage. Nelson Mandela gathered his courage and power from all these people and thus wishes to make them proud. Now next paragraph. The policy of the created a deep lasting of wound in my country and my people. All of us will spend many years, if not generation, recovering from that performed hurt. But the decades of obsession and brutally had another untightened effect that has been produced. Olive Toms and Walter Sissulus as chief Lethulis and Yusuf then Dagus and Bram features the Robert Subquays of our time, men extraordinary courage and generosity that like never be known as again. Perhaps it required obsessions and heights of the character. My country is rich in minerals, gems and beneath in soil, but I have always known that it is the greatest wealth in its people, finer, true and the purest diamond. Here we will tell the meaning of profound is very greatest or intense. Unintended meaning is not planned or meant. Now we will do the explanation. The obsession policy scared many people and it will take a long time from them to move on. The author here the writer say that the hard time had been had it a negative impact, but exposed a lot of strong and courageous men who stood up and raised their voice. Thus, it is required that level of injustice treatment to produce such a great heroes. South Africa, he say, is rich in minerals and gems, but its greatest strength lies in its people. Now, next paragraph. It is from these comrades in struggles that I learned in the meaning of courage. Time and again I have seen men and working risk give their lives for an idea. I have seen men stand up, attack and torture without breaking, showing strength and defiance of imagination. I learned the courage was not absence of fear, but triumph over it. The brave man is not be who does not feel afraid, but he who conquer that fear. Now I will explain this para. Nelson Mandela here gained his strength to stand against the wrong. He wanted to stand against the wrong, and he gained the what strength from all the great nationalists he mentioned above who have been risked their lives for freedom and tolerate ill treatment but never stopped fighting. He learned that courage didn't mean the absence of fear but the ability to overcome fear. The man who overcomes his fear is called brave. Now, next paragraph. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, his background, his religious. People must learn hate. If they can learn to hate, they can taught to love come naturally to human heart and its opposite. Even at times in the prison when the comrades were and I were pushed to our limits, I would see glimmers of humanity and one of the guards perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keeping me going. Man's goodness in flame that can be hidden by the extinguished. Here the explanation, I am explaining this para. One is taught by its society to hate human because of the skin color and age, gender and religion also. No one is inborn with hatred. The author's idea is that if the people can be taught hatred, they can also taught love, brotherhood. In their most testing time in prison when they were being treated brutally, Mandela would see a pinch of humanity and kindness in one of the guards, and that was enough to keep him going. He believed that goodness in human being can be suppressed but never eliminated. Now, next paragraph. In life, every man has twin obligations to his families and to his parents, to his wife, children, and his obligations to his people, his communities, countries, in the civil and the human society. Each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclinations and abilities. But the country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both those obligations. In South Africa, a man color who attempt a live a human being is punished and isolated. In South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his people was ripped from his family and his home, was forced to live a life apart. Existence and secrecy. I did not begin choose a place, my people, above my family, but it attempting severe my people. I found that I was prevented from fulfilling obligations as a son, brother, father, and the husband. Now we will do the explanation of this para. Here the author is saying that every human being has a responsibility toward the family and as well as the society also. Generally, under normal circumstances, a person can maintain the balance between the two, but in country like South Africa, it was never so easy for that. When a person of a color would come up for his society, he would be arrested and taken away from his family. Because keeping them from fulfill both responsibility. In the beginning, Mandela did not put his people over his family, but was only later when he realized that order to be there for his people, he was a compromising his duty toward his own family. Now, next paragraph. I was not born with hunger to be free. I was born with free in every way that I could know. Free to run in the field near my mother's hut, free to swim and streams and run through my village, free to roast miles under the stars and ride broad bracks or slow moving bulls. As long as I obeyed my father, abide by the customs of my tribes, I was not troubled by a law of man of God. It was when I began to learn by my brotherhood freedom was an illusion. I discovered the young man that was freedom that already been taken from me. I began to hunger, and it first student I wanted freedom only for myself. Freedom of being stay and night and read. I choose a later a young man in the earned basic honorable freedom of achieving potential of earning. Now we will discuss about this para. The explanation is that here we can say that it did not have a plan to stand against the system early in the life. He lived his childhood like normal child in South Africa. He only had to follow the rules set up by his father or the customs of his tribes. As soon as he grew up and began to learn the fact as how to people of colors are treated, he decided to stand against it. He had his of for freedom from inside, earlier justice for himself, and later of having basic life, but not just for himself but for everyone. In Johannesburg, they have been struggles having peaceful marriages, families, and basic amenities with everyone access to where the laws and order exist. Now we will do next paragraph. It is too long. But then I slowly saw that no only I was not free, but my brother and sister were not free. I saw it not just my freedom that cult, but freedom of everyone looked like I did. That is when I joined African National Congress. That is when hunger for my own freedom became a greater hunger of freedom of my people. It was desire of freedom of my people to live and live with dignity and self-respect animated my life. That transformed a frightened young man into a bold one that drove law abiding attorney to become a criminal, then turned family loving husband into a man without home. That forced a life loving man to live like a monk. I am no more virtuous of self sacrificing than the next man, but I found that I could even enjoy the poor and limited freedom I allow when I knew my people were not free. Freedom is individual, and chains on any one of my people were chains on all them, and all chains on all my people were chains on me. Now, here we will discuss the explanation of this paragraph. Nelson Mandela joined the African National Congress. When he released, it is not only him whose basic rights were snatched away, but all those who looked like him. He had this fire inside him to free his people from the injustice. It was this fire that changed the author completely as a man, from being scared to brave and loyal to be one breaking the law. A family man to a man without home and lively man into being monk. It was a knowledge that his people was restricted freedom that made him into selfless man and opposed to before. According to him, freedom cannot be divided, snatching away from some equivalent, taking it away from everyone. That meant taking it away from others. Now, next paragraph. I know that oppressors must be liberated just as surely an oppressed. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind a bars of prejudice and narrow mindedness. I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom just as surely, and I am not free for freedom I have taken oppressors. Oppressed and the oppressors alike and robbed to their humanity. Here we will discuss explanation that here mentioned that need of free oppressors of high as that of the oppressed, because of the oppressors is bounded by the shackles hated. He had weight of all the people who had tormented, for the tormented, or they had been tortured, or they had been taken away from his family, for he carries a curse of all their families. For taking away some else freedom, make them prisoners, and he become prisoners of business. The thus we can say that robbed of his humanity and need to be freed is the in this way this chapter has been completed.